Hey everyone, Dave from Repairs Rule. So another mishap. Something threw out from underneath my zero-turn mower and hit my house. So I get to replace that section of siding. So that's what I'm going to do today. So here's my damage. I'm going to pull this section of siding out. I have another piece that I saved back from when we built the home. So it's going to come clear back to this seam that's clear back here, and it's going to run clear back on the other side of the window to this seam. And I don't have the tool made to do this, but I do have this aluminum strut, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to bend it into the right shape so I can pull that siding off. Let's do that. Here's that strut bent. I've got a small hook on the one end and a handle bent out to get a hold of it once I get a hold of the siding. So what this is going to do is going to go underneath the edge of the siding and hook on the bottom of the siding. Then I'll be able to pull it down and detach it clear across the bottom. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come up here. Same thing, we're going to disconnect this piece so we can get to the nails on the nailing flange of this piece. It's just going to catch the bottom edge of this flange by sliding this hook up underneath, tilt this pull down, and it pops it out. So now what I need to do to get this off is up here on the nailing flange, the contractor for this house that installed this siding used staples. We have one here and there's one in the back. So I'm going to pry those out on this side, and then I'm going to move down and get the staples out of the nailing flange on the other end. Okay, as you can see, got it all off. We're going to clean it up real quick, then we're going to get that other piece mounted. This section that we took off, this piece has a cutout for the window. So I just laid this on top of the new one and used it as a pattern to draw right where that cutout is. So that's what I'm going to do next. Okay, so there we go. It's all in here. Another little section for another day. Want to point out, you have your hammer, your cutting tools and so on, but make you a little tool to snap underneath that siding to pull it down and to make it disengage from the other piece. So if you like this kind of information, guys, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.